Hi Stampers, it's Kristy from CristyCoromandel.com and welcome to my Back to Basics series. Now today I want to share with you how to create your card base. Now this is a question that I get asked often, is how to create your standard card bases, so I'm going to quickly show you how to do that here. Now I am just using a piece of crumb cake so that you can see it better. But this is a standard A4 size, and with an A4 size sheet of cardstock you'll be able to create 2 card bases. So there's 2 ways in which you can cut your cardstock. So one is we're going to put our paper through our paper trimmer landscape, and I'm going to cut this onto, and I'm just going to zoom it in right here, onto the 5 7/8 inch line. I like to work with inches when I cut it on this way, or it is like the 14.9 centimeters. So whichever is easiest. I like the 5.7/8 of an inch. And then using your paper trimmer, you can slide that down, and then I've got 2 A5 pieces. And then you're just going to simply put this in at the 10.5 centimeter mark or the 4 1/8 inch mark, and with your scoring tool you're going to score that to create your card base. So there's your top folding landscape, or you've got your traditional side folding for your portrait card. So that's one way to cut your cardstock. The another way you can do it is having your A4 size here, but cut it portrait. So I'm going to put this in the portrait way through to my paper trimmer, and this time I'm going to cut it at the 10.5 centimeter mark or the 4 1/8 of an inch, whichever you prefer to work with. And then I'm going to slice that all the way down, and I've got 2 halves like this. And then to score it, once again I am going to score that at the 14.9 centimeter mark or the 5 7/8. Score that, and then I can fold that in half, and I have a top folding card this way, or I can have it folded out this way. So there you have it. There's 2 ways of cutting your card bases, your cardstock, to create your card base. So work with whichever way is easiest for you, and I'll have more information over on my blog. Thanks for watching.